Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
An active economic calendar awaits in the days ahead, with significant data releases poised to offer market insights. Traders should prepare for the potential impact these events could have on prices and sentiment. These economic updates may serve as a catalyst for change. Being prepared to respond can turn potential volatility into an opportunity.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Oil prices settled lower as weaker manufacturing numbers and a stronger dollar weighed on demand, while the OPEC Plus decision to pause output hikes in the first quarter of next year could signal the group's concern about a potential supply glut. The dollar rose to a 4-month high against the euro as divisions in the Federal Reserve raised doubt about the prospect of another rate cut this year, while a risk-off move sent investors seeking the US currency for safety. MasterCard is in talks to buy Zero Hash, following earlier interest in BVNK, in a push toward 24/7 stablecoin settlement. The deals could give MasterCard a turnkey on-chain payment stack, accelerating its move from pilot to production.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The dollar dropped 0.3% against the yen in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 6.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.5% in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The oil fell 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Ultimate Oscillators is giving a negative signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.